Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace a tempered glass in iPhone 11, how to do it at home. So I already have a screen tempered glass which is kind of broken. So what you want to do first is turn off your phone. So let it turned off. Then I'm going to remove this from the bottom very gently. Don't have to rush it. Just remove it carefully so that it doesn't damage your screen. Right, once you get this right, let me put it over there. You can focus it again. Yeah, so this is very cheap product. I got it from Amazon. This is from Nestec tempered glass screen protector. Its MRP is 166.99, but I got it for 130 rupees. So let me just quickly open it. So as you can see, this is a 11D version, and this has two wipes, wet wipe and a dry wipe. So what you're going to do here is, first you have to take this first wet wipe and gently clean your phone. Make sure to cover the edges. What you want to do next is take out the number 2, which is the dry wipe.
Carefully.
Make sure there are no dirt particles. And now I'm going to peel it. Try to match the edges. And quickly remove with the dry one. Remove any spot. You can apply a little pressure here and make sure there are no spots. It's okay to apply pressure. This iPhone screen is very hard, so it won't affect much. Now you can turn it open. And there you go, guys. Here you can replace your screen guard at home DIY. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.